Hey, if you got one of these probably 2014 through 2018 Chevrolet Silverados and you're experiencing a illuminated check engine light, code P06DD, P06DD, then this video may be helpful. You're watching the Car Doctor. Back to the channel. I'm Tim. I'm here at my video studio of Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska. And I got a quick tip for you on these 2014 through 2018 Chevrolet pickups. If you've got a check engine light illuminated, code P06DD stored in the system. A couple things you want to do. You definitely want to check your oil level and oil condition. If the vehicle is not properly maintained, has a low oil level, improper oil use, it's at Dexos 020 in this motor, those are the first things you want to check off the list. Make sure it's got the proper level, it's not black, it's got the right synthetic Dexos certified 020 in here. That's a starting point. If that's all good, then you want to go into your functional test on this unit. I got a couple checks you can do here. If your scan tool has the actuation test menu, then you want to go to the oil pressure control solenoid valve functional test. I'll go ahead and start the vehicle here. And with the vehicle started, you can monitor the engine oil pressure PID there. And currently this is the value with the solenoid valve commanded on. If you command it off, right here, your value should change at least, 4 to 20 pounds. In this case, it's definitely changing. Off, it's in the 324 kPa range. With it on, you're at 240. You can hear the difference when the valve is engaged and disengaged. You can tell it's working, but I'm a little alarmed by the sound that's occurring. Go ahead and get out of this. It's a little concerning that it's making that sound because there's a few things that can happen. Now the valve is working currently, so we can alleviate that as a possibility unless it's an intermittent condition. But this particular vehicle has 90,000 miles, so it is possible that the valve, which is part of the oil pump assembly, is defective. There's another possibility, but usually the case on higher mileage vehicles, where the timing chain guide may have broken and allowed the timing chain to actually rub a hole in the pump body and cause an issue that way, in which case the entire pump and timing chain and guide assembly is going to need to be replaced. Anyway, sorry, this video is probably going to be not as conclusive as you would like to see, since what I've done in this case is change the oil and filter with the the Dexos synthetic 020 and a OE oil filter, and reset things. It was due for an oil change. They had lost a sticker on the windshield since they'd had the windshield replaced, so wasn't exactly sure on the interval for replacement, but it was obviously getting close. So at this point, we've cleared the codes, we've checked the pressure, everything's legit there. I'm just a little concerned with the noise that I'm hearing through the pump, which leads me to believe there may be an issue, but that's all going to remain to be seen, and I'll certainly update this video when we get her back, if we get her back, but hopefully they'll get it back on the road and put some miles on it. I wanted to make a quick video. I realize it's been a while. Building this place has been crazy busy and transitioning. We're hoping to make a lot more videos and work on a few less cars in the process. So It's all about value-added quality here at Donor Automotive. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.